Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is September 14th, 2022. Still pretty hot here in September in Florida. We're looking at our squash plants, what's left of them anyway. Now, this particular location has in the soil, it's lasagna layered soil. So I did sand, I did leaves, sand, leaves, sand, leaves, and then I inoculated this location with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. And I'm not seeing an issue yet with the root knot nematodes. So let's keep our fingers crossed, because we had some other controls that we set up that were supposed to be successful, but they were not. Anyhow, we had another control which I had set up here. You can still see some of the leaves left over from that control, where we used the black walnut hull powder with the juglone, but these guys died for some reason. Now, it wasn't, there were no signs of the root knot nematode in these particular plants, but I did neglect them for about a week and a half because I did get sick with COVID. So they might have just died from the neglect, is what I'm thinking. Over here we had another control set up. As you can tell, there's no squash plants, so they were definitely destroyed by the root knot nematode. And we had used in the soil, we had amended the soil with earthworm castings. Okay, that supposedly works. A lot of farmers say for themselves that it works, but they have to renew the amendment every year to their soil. So yeah, I'm not really looking forward to doing anything like that, and clearly it didn't work for us. So let's go back over here and we'll explain what's going on with this guy. This is a raised bed. I also dug below this line here, so you see the edge there on the bottom. I dug down and added leaves and detritus that were inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi, just like this location. See, we're having such positive results right now with this location that I wanted to go ahead and give it a shot over here. And then on the top, for insulation purposes, I use a very light colored mulch that I produce myself. And we have all of these squash plants coming up now, and they seem to be doing all right. Going forward, I'm going to spray them with a little bit of BT Thuricide, because loopworms, we've been having a problem with loopworms, and I don't want the loopworms to come in and start taking over. So to prevent that from happening, you preemptively spray with BT Thuricide, so that way if they do show up, they will ingest the Thuricide and die immediately thereafter. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And please do stay tuned, as I will keep you updated on the progress of this particular control group and also that one. They're essentially the same. So, yeah, wish us good luck. Have a great day.